Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the 4G plus aggregation speed test and download speed test comparison between both phones, which is a iQOO 7 versus Realme X7 Max. So in this location I'll be getting the 4G plus aggregation in both phones, friends, by using Jio SIM card. So I'm using the same Jio SIM in both phones, Realme X7 Max and iQOO 7 device. So this test is going to be really very interesting because I'm going to do the speed test as well as a download test as well. So if you want this kind of interesting results, so make sure to search in the YouTube 4G plus Sai Tech Guru. You'll get all my videos which are uploaded on each and every smartphone. Just type the phone model name and the 4G plus Sai Tech Guru. You can get all the videos. So let me try to show you quickly which SIM cards I'm trying to use. As I said, I'm trying to use only Jio 4G in both phones. As you can see, friends, only Jio 4G I'm trying to use in both phones. So let's see which phone will be having the better speed rate as well and download test as well. So I'll try to download the game from the Play Store, which will be like practical test, which a lot of users did ask me. So in the same location, I'll try to download the game as well. So right now you can see, friends, both phones should be able to receive the 4G plus. You can see 2CA aggregation, you can clearly see in both phones. Same kind of bands now I'm trying to get in both phones. And you can even see the 4G plus aggregation in the iQOO 7 device. You can see, friends, iQOO 7 device, it's perfectly alright and working, which is a Jio SIM card, and same thing goes to the Realme X7 Max as well. So now both phones are completely equal in terms of the Jio SIM, in terms of the 4G plus. So there is no difference at all. So now by using this thing, let's see which phone will be able to have the maximum speed test and maximum speed results and faster download. That is another main thing, friends. So most of the people, they are interested in the download test. I'll try to first do the 3 times of speed test, which routine which I'm trying to do. So later I'll try to do the download test as well. So this will be the really good example where you can test which phone has got how much kind of potential in it. So both phones are connected to the same kind of servers. You can clearly see, friends. So both are having the 4G plus data on the notification. You can clearly see 4G plus and 4G plus. As you can see, friends. Sometimes 4G plus may not be visible sometimes, but overall, as you can see, 4G plus you're getting in the Realme X7 Max. The download speed test is going to be really much fun, friends, than the speed test, because we will get to know how much which phone has got what kind of download results. So let me try to do the second time. So let's see in the second time when you're trying to do how much we can expect in terms of the speed. So in the first time, the iQOO 7 did won the race. So let's see in the second time which one will be winning. And still I'm getting 4G plus in both phones, so there's no problem in terms of the 4G plus. So Realme X7 Max did start the speed test first, then the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly see it right now. And even the iQOO 7 also started. You can see the ping value, something is weird. So this is my, I think only few times you will be experiencing this kind of values, friends. So that is the reason I'm trying to do multiple times, 3 times. So you will know all the disadvantages within this time, if there are any other disadvantages. So right now, as you can see, friends, clearly the iQOO 7 also has got really good cap build support in terms of the speed test. So if iQOO 7 gets the 4G plus, then definitely this phone is good. But one more thing, it's not yet finished, because the download is a main task. So which we'll be getting to know more details, which phone is better. So you should not decide now itself, friends, iQOO 7 is a winner. So you will get to know in the download test, that is a final winner, which phone downloads faster. So that is the reason, try to watch till end of the video without even skipping to know all the results. So now I'm trying to do the test one by one. As you can see, not at same time. So before I did at same time, but I'm trying to do the test one by one. So first in the Realme X7 Max, and then I'll try to do in the iQOO 7 device. So this is another type of testing which I thought of including at same time and not at same time. Sometimes if you do like this, you will get the more speeds. Yes, that is what I'm trying to do, friends. One by one if I try to do. So let's see what iQOO 7, how much the speeds can go in this phone in the iQOO 7 device if you are trying to do a single. So all these videos I am basically uploading just for the viewers who are looking into the better connectivity. So that is the reason I am uploading this 4G test more nowadays, because a lot of viewers they are really interested in this kind of 4G data speed test before actually buying the phone. They should know all these things, which one has got what kind of signals in it. And 22.2, yes, the speeds are quietly higher in the iQOO 7 device. I said the winner is not yet decided, but let's wait for the download. The download is a main task where you can actually identify the much difference, which phone is what kind of potential. So make sure to watch the download speeds, friends. So then we can decide, but let's take a look at this top 3 speeds. You can see top 3 speeds 2220, and in all the speeds I think IQ7 is slightly winner in all the speeds. So this is a download test which has been started. I am using only the 4G SIM card, which is a Jio SIM card right now. Same SIM I'm trying to use, and Jio SIM card in both phones is there, and both phones should be able to get the 4G plus as well. And now I am downloading this 55 MB and 58 MB game. I'm using the stopwatch, and let's see which phone will be able to download the game faster at same time. First let's do it at the same time, and later I'll try to do the individual. So now we'll be able to know, friends. So you can see the difference between both phones. Slightly it started around same, but later you did observe, I can see little by little the Realme X1 Max is increasing. You can see the speeds are increasing in the Realme X1 Max little by little, but not much, just a little by little, tiny it's increasing. As you can see clearly the Realme X1 Max. So this is what is called the actual practical test. Yes, so not the speed test, but this is what is called actual practical. That is the reason I did ask you guys to wait till end of the video, so that you know exactly which phone has got what kind of potential in it. So now let me try to quickly stop exactly. As you can see, friends, the Realme X1 Max, I think it finished at around 41 seconds, I think so, and the IQ7 device finished about 46 seconds. So overall close to kind of 5 to 6 seconds is there. Not much difference, friends, only kind of 5 to 6 difference is there for only 50 MB. If you're downloading 100 MB, the time will be double. For 1 GB, the time will be double. So you need to always calculate in that way. This is just only 50 MB I'm trying to use, not much MB. So now let me try to do the test one by one. So let's see. So I'm trying to do the test one by one. Let's see what will happen with the IQ7 device, how much time this IQ7 phone takes to download this 50 MB of time. So before it took about 46 seconds. So now let's see, friends, how much time this phone can actually take if you remember 46 seconds before. So normally whenever I do this kind of testing one by one, the speed, the time also will increase. The speed will increase and time will decrease. Sorry. But in this case, in the IQ7 device, you're finding really strange. It's nothing at all. The speed is not increasing. It's actually the same speed as before. There's nothing improvement in that. It should not be like that. So that is what I'm trying to say, friends. Try to watch till end of the video. You'll get to know more results. So next I'll try to stop. As you can see, 44 seconds. So before it is close to 46, now 44. Only 2 seconds different. So but let's see in the Realme X1 Max how much the Realme X1 Max can do. So I'm trying to start. As you can see, friends, Realme X1 Max, I did start. So in the Realme X1 Max, you will be noticing really faster speeds. Yes, as you can see, friends, it's finished really fast in this Realme X1 Max. If I try to do the one by one, it's really, as you can see, 50% also it got over within close to, I think, 15 seconds of time. You can clearly see, friends, the speed is increasing. The speed is increasing constantly in the Realme X1 Max. I think by mistake I did press the pause button, sorry. I think 1 second will be added. So close to 24 seconds of time. So clearly the winner is a Realme X1 Max in the download. The final winner is the Realme X1 Max, friends. Here you got the proof, live proof, practical test which a lot of users have asked. So thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to check in the YouTube for 4G plus High Tech Guru. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.